Hi, this is Rich of housebarons.com. My brother Dave and I renovate houses. And today we wanted to show you a really cool machine. And there it is. It's called the Billy Goat. And if you find yourself needing to mow down crazy tall weeds and brush, this is a great machine to consider. We recently purchased land. We have a whole bunch of different uses for it, but nothing's been developed on this land. It's just farmland. And so today I used the Billy Goat to make this road. Just cut it right through these weeds. And you can see these weeds are like crazy high. The weeds all along here are about 6 feet tall. And so today I used the Billy Goat to also clear out this whole field. We're going to partner with our local Humane Society. Our plan is to build a bunch of runs and then have volunteers bring the dogs out to exercise out here. When I got here, all of this clearing that's now clear looked like this. And you can see this weed right here is about 7 feet tall. And that is a dense weed patch. The Billy Goat got quite a workout, but I have to say it did the job. So let's go check it out. There it is. Okay, so the Billy Goat weighs about 275 pounds. So I had to also rent this trailer. And there it is. What's great about it, those giant wheels, they help you get through uneven terrain. It's got the blade's about like 24 inches. So I think that could be a little wider, but it was, it was enough to get the job done for what I needed. So anyway, it's the Outback brush cutter. It's called the Billy Goat. There's the Billy Goat. And gas tank. It's real simple. Gas tank's right here. And to get it started, all we got to do is fill it up with gas, and then it's got a few different control levers, but it's all pretty easy to use. So back here there's an on-off switch, so we'll put that to on, and then it's just got these 5 options. So that's reverse, this is neutral, and then you've got first, second, and third. So if you put it into third gear, you got to be ready to hold on because the thing's going to lurch forward. So then up here, you've got 2 controls. We're just going to pull this to start the machine. And then once it's started, you have to hold each of these levers down. This one will get the blade to engage, the orange one on the left. And then this yellow one on the right will allow the machine to move, and it'll move however, whatever gear you've got. It'll go in reverse or first, second, and third. So I'm going to start it up, and you'll see just how easy it is. As far as safety gear, it is kind of loud, so I was using these for ear protection. Wearing gloves, got my safety sunglasses. And so you definitely want to wear some kind of eyewear, some kind of eye protection. And then I was using this at least for half the day because, when you're mowing a field, you get a lot of dust. But after a while, I couldn't breathe well with this, so I had to take it off. So anyway, let's get this machine started. All right, to get this machine to start, there's like 5 things you have to do. So first off, put it in the on position. There's an on-off switch. Second, pull this little stopper out. That's the choke. And then once I pull the starter cord, it's going to start. So then I'm going to put it into gear. I'm going to go right to third gear. That's the one I like to use. If you're just starting with it, you might want to try first or second gear just to see, get a feel for the machine and how fast it's going to go. And then I'm going to push down on the orange lever, which will engage the blade, and it's going to start mowing. And then I'm going to pull up on the yellow lever. Oh yeah, once the engine's going, I'm going to push the choke back in. So here we go. Okay, to turn this off, all we got to do is hit the off switch. All right, well that's the Billy Goat, and I loved it. I ended up renting this one. They charged me $75 for 24 hours, and I had a rent also. I didn't have anything to transport it with, so that was another $25 to get the trailer for it. So for $100, I could come out here and pretty much mow anywhere I want to mow. So it's not the fastest machine, and you're probably thinking, hey, why don't you just get a tractor? Well, I don't own a tractor yet. That is on the items to purchase list. So for right now, I just needed something that I could pick up quick and try to come out here and mow. The tractor rental, by the way, was going to be $300. So I thought, well, to save $200, I'll spend a little extra time. That's the route I went. So anyway, just a couple of quick items about this. You might have noticed that as I'm going down the rows, there'll be stragglers. Like sometimes this bar on the front will knock some of the, the tall weeds down, and then they pop back up. The blade missed it for whatever reason. Maybe I was going too fast. So all you have to do in that case is just come back down the row and just mow those over, and that'll take care of any stragglers. And oh yeah, you might have seen me go in reverse a couple of times. So a word of caution on going in reverse. If you really got to pay attention when you go into reverse, because if you trip or something, like the machine could come back on you. You can see the blade the housing is a couple of feet up, so I don't know, hopefully you wouldn't get run over, but I'm just saying use extreme caution when you go into reverse. And then on this property, there's a whole bunch of enormous chuck holes. They're back through here. I don't know, some animals live in there. And what was happening is you could get down in there and the wheel could get stuck. And so all you got to do is work it out by going into, first, second, and third, and then going into reverse. Just kind of rock back and forth, and I was able to get out of all kinds of jams today, so because of those giant wheels. So overall, I'd have to say, if you've got a monster weedy field like this and you don't have a tractor and you just want to get it mowed, this Billy Goat is a really great option. It's economical, and as you can see, it works quite well. So here, I'll show you the field that after it's been mowed, and I think it's a really great cut. So it's perfect for what we're trying to do. All right, well, I hope you got something out of that video. If you did, please hit the like button, and feel free to leave a question or a comment in the comment section below. And also, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do, because we have a lot of home improvement videos coming out soon. And as always, thanks for viewing.